That's the two things we have to understand. So, because okay, there must be a IIC is there. Okay, industry interaction is there. For that, this lecture is very essential. Okay, for the engineering students. Okay, now you see what happened here. This is a IIC calendar activity for the My Story Motivational Expert session by successful innovators and entrepreneurs. That is the one of the regarding IAC of the cell of our institution. Okay, every HOD has taken the about the lecture about this topic. So means that my topic is that what are the technology is there? There are so many technologies. Okay, internet is there. Okay, blockchain technology is there. Artificial machine learning is there. Okay, understand? So cyber security is there. So any one technology is there. So many technologies are there. Out of that, one type of technology we have to take. Okay, how this technology is useful for the students and the society. How we are going to be solving the problems. Okay, around us, and how this technology is useful for the industry. Okay, industry, internet of things like this. Industry, how this industry adopts this technology for solving the various types of problems around us. Okay, when you are able to get, okay, you can watch, okay, the different ones, knowledge and skill. There are so many problems are there. Okay, so how you are identifying the problems, how you are doing the solving. Okay, that is useful for the organization. Understand? So that is the one every student must be. Okay, inventor. Okay, you will improve the skills, knowledge. Okay, no one learn the skills. Okay, one adopt your skills yourself and how you motivate yourself. Okay, that is the technology. How we can take the access the technology that is your dependent your level. No one can teach you, no one can motivate you. Okay, self determination. Okay, self motivation is very important for developing a student or any person. Okay, start with a small things, and you can able to do any module in a IT industry. For that, it will be very useful for future. Okay, future aspect. Understand? So you see, my name is Dr. Subramanian. I am the head of the department of the information technology. See, it's very important to know that means which one is the successful. Okay, scientists are there. What they have done, what they invention. So what is the see technology, innovators and entrepreneurs. Understand? What is that? They are successful innovators and entrepreneurs. They are success of innovation for any technology, and also their planning. Okay, and also the risk taking. What type of risks they can take? It's not that okay, patent-based things. Hours together, decades to be done for any invention. Understand? And deep understanding of the market needs. Okay, whatever you are invented there, market దానికి ఎంత వాల్యూ ఉంది, ఎంతమంది దాన్ని యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు, how it will be used for the society, everything is will be feasible, less cost and more utilization. Understand? So in this way, what are the Thomas Edison will write his invented Edison. So throughout the country, we write also data. Understand? So in this way, every one in the society, it's a one man army. Okay, one person invented. Okay, millions of crores of people are using this light day and night. Understand? So, and Ratan Tata is there. He is also one of the entrepreneur and also the inventor. What he is invented? He is invented the so many varieties of cars with low cost. So he is also one of the inventor and inventors of the India Today list. And Jim Profess is the founder of Amazon. Whenever you online you can purchase anything, okay, that is very useful for society. No need of go to the shops. Understand? No need of waste of time. Okay, online you can purchase Amazon web services. Amazon is a very very globally it will be okay, very name is there. Understand? This is so what are the characteristics are present for the successful entrepreneurs? Means that any entrepreneurs, means that companies, what type of characteristics are there, okay, to promote their business? What is that? Creativity and innovation. Creativity. There must be creativity is there. Okay, it is that all are getting the 90%, but you can create to get the 95%. Like this. Creativity means that your innovation will be creative nature. Anyone can easily can utilize your innovation product and also it's very useful for the all the society. That is called like creativity and innovation. And calculate risk take. So whenever this is the challenging of the with a plan of managing the potential growth. Means that there must be a calculator of the risk taking. Any risk is happening of any product, it may be challenging to avoid from this risk. Understand? There must be if you implement a mission, okay, then there must be a problems arises. Don't worry, don't afraid. You have to okay make a challenging task to update your okay that mission. And strong planning and knowledge. What is strong knowledge? Strong planning and knowledge. Being well prepared and deploy knowledge about their industry. Means that everyone when you are creating any product, that will be strong planning from the literature. What is the literature survey? You have to want to create any product. Okay, literature means that anyone already created this product. How many people are using? What is their parameters? What are their characteristics? You have to study all these things. Okay, you should strongly believe that your product is the one of the innovatively. Understand? If the product are parameters and characters same, then what happens? There is no name. Okay, your product will be outdated. So we have to first we will see the literature survey, and according to that only we have to plan to new create any product. Adaptability and willingness to learn means that they must adapt to nature. Okay, adapt means that so we can adapt the things. Okay, how to use it. Okay, we have to know the things how to use it. Okay, this is the adaptability things. Okay, sir. The open is very. Okay. Now come to the point. Okay. No, sir. Here we are successful innovators and entrepreneurs in IoT and IoT. Now we are discussing about the what is the IoT. Okay. Information. Okay. About the Internet of Things. How this IoT is used for the industry Internet of Things. Okay. Nowadays IoT is famous. Okay. What is IoT? See. The innovator. He is innovator. First you have to know about he is innovator. Okay. What is the? He is the photo you see. Okay. He is the father of the Internet of Things. Understand? Internet of Things and the technology. Okay. First you have to know what is what. Okay. Then we will line by line we will understand. So what is that? He is the Kevin Arson invented the Internet of Things. Internet of Things. What is the Internet of Things? One of the technology. At present we have. Everyone knows the IoT. Okay, the IoT is the abbreviation of the Internet of Things. What happened? So, Kevin Arson, British technology pioneer and co-founder of the Auto ID Laboratory. He is one of the CEO of the Auto Laboratory, and where he is working in MIT. Okay, MIT University is there. In the term we have, the term means that Internet of Things. In his speech, he has delivered the one of the RFID is the radio frequency identification. He has invented. For that, he told that RFID is one of the type of sensor devices. It is one of the device in a Internet of Things technologies. Okay. What is the IoT for machine to machine? Okay. So the term IoT was coined by this person, David Austin, the scientist. Okay, it is referred as a network of interconnected of physical objects. Okay, interconnected of physical objects. What is the physical objects? Understand? Okay, the various types of network devices are there. Okay, you know this. It will come for the next semester. Okay, you have to understand the compute networks first. Then only you can practice easily IoT. There are so many terminals are there about the network devices, IoT devices. Understand? Physical objects. Whatever the physical things are there, software is different and physical objects are different. Okay, means that what is that? It is a network of interconnected physical objects. Rotors are there, hubs are there, switches are there, sensor devices are there, okay, actuators are there, any IoT devices are there. All these are the physical, okay, physical objects, embedded devices. Okay, these are all physical objects are there. Referred as the things. Things is nothing but the sensor devices, okay, and also actuators and also IoT devices are all known as the things. Are capable of collecting and exchanging data without human interaction. What is the need of that? You see, IoT for machine to machine. So what happened here? So we want to know the sensing of this room. Okay, temperature humidity. What is temperature? Temperature is the heat in a room. Understand? So humidity is that there must be air molecules are there in a room. Okay, air molecules temperature, air molecules humidity. Okay, water molecules are there. Whether you can see these molecules, okay, whether you can see the molecules, anyone? Anyone with the hand can see the physical parameters of the air. Okay, no one can lift the hand. Means that everyone knows that you can't see the physical parameters. So anyone can lift the hand. Okay, these physical parameters are which mode? Which mode? You don't know? Analog mode. Okay, analog mode is present in the weather condition, body weather conditions. You can't see, human can't see. That is in a form of a, okay, analog mode. So which mode we can see? In a digital mode. Understand? Digital mode we can see. But sensor devices are there, can sense the, okay, temperature. Like for example, DHT1 sensor is there. It will sense the environment, sense the room, sense the object. Okay, sense the physical parameters, temperature, humidity, and okay, that is an analog mode. There must be every sensor device having the ADC component is there. ADC, analog to digital converter. Understand? ADC is what? Analog to digital converter. It will convert the analog data. Human can't see. Then will convert to the digital data. So human can see that. According to that only we can easily verify how much temperature is there, how much humidity is there. If you see in the summer, you know that humidity exactly figure. We don't. Okay, we know that. You can analyze that it is in a winter season. Almost 20 almost 20 degrees. What temperature sensor devices want to do? Will access the real value. Okay, according to that only we can analyze that. If the summer 45 degrees is there, you can't sit in this room. Then we can ask the okay, management to provide the ACs. That is a decision. How you can take decision? Human can't decision take decision exactly, but machines take the decision. Understand? That's why what happened here? There must be a method of collecting and exchanging data without human interaction. See, here the objects, things are connected with each other. Okay? There is no human intervention. Understand? Human intervention is that there is no human is not intervention. Sensor devices are accessing the temperature, humidity from the outer world. Okay? And sending the data towards the cloud computing. This is the called as the, okay, without human intervention, the things are talking to each other and it will display the actual result. Understand? This is the, so he is invented like this. Okay, it's a man. Without human intervention, the machine can talk to each other. Understand? This machine to machine can talk with each other. Okay, they providing the appropriate results. That's very important. Okay, understand? This human, he is how we can create this invention. Okay, how we can create this invention? Let's we have to know. So whenever we are getting any problem, then we can decide that we have to solve the problem. Before no one can solve the problem. Listen, before solve the problem, never. Any problem is arising, at that time we can escape ourselves to solve this problem. So in the same way, scientists also having some of the problem there. The industry is the manager. Manager is the not simple manager, from CEO of the company. What happened? There are so many Coca-Cola, okay, manufacturing companies there. In that, he's one of the wing is there. Understand? So how many products are daily creating, manufacturing? Okay, there are. If human can count 100, maximum 500 without counting at a time. Okay, there are so many chicks are there. Human is not available. Okay, for counting the if number is unlimited. Understand? For what happened? He day and nights. Okay, work on that product that is called as the RFI, radio frequency identification. It will work on radio waves. Understand? Okay, radio waves are the what type of waves it is? It's the radio waves are the okay wireless communications. Wireless. Okay, there must be radio waves are there, microwaves are there, infrared waves are there. All are the wireless communications. Understand? The RFID radio frequency identification is there. It will be work on a okay wireless communication that is called as a radio waves. Understand? By radio waves, it will while Coca-Cola the products are okay roaming in the chain. It will automatically will count in the one by one. Understand? It will count in the one by one without human intervention. Thousand lakhs of products are creating every day from the manufacturing into the dispatch section. Will be everything is going on. Single mistakes not happening. Every products are whatever the products are creating manufacturing. The same products will be counting exact. Understand? So what happened here? You see, here we are. They know this time waste. Okay, they know time waste, and there must be a okay. There must be a every product is okay. Whatever the products are created, it will be 100% products are available. That's why it will be going on a RFID is the one of the okay manufactured product throughout the world. It will be get the name. This is source of money he got. Okay, understand? So that will be his product will be get patented. Okay, patent. What is a patent? To any paper written or any new product you are created, that will be patented. Means that no one can take your idea. Okay? No one can take your idea. So if anyone want to take the idea of you from they have the papers, or other you can go to the court. Okay? In this way, so means that this person, okay, scientist is there, invented the IoT. IoT nothing but only one thing is that okay, without human interaction, the devices are connect with each other and providing the results. Understand? So here the main thing is that without human intervention, machine can communicate and exchange the data. Okay? Now see. So it's there. You see the question to